In the ever-evolving realm of PC gaming hardware, enthusiasts constantly seek the perfect portable gaming PC that combines performance and portability. While industry leaders like the OLED Steam Deck, with its stunning display and innovative software ecosystem, and the ROG Ally X, known for its raw power, currently dominate the market, a new contender is making waves, the Zotac Gaming Zone. This new entrant stands out with its 7-inch AMOLED display, promising an exceptional visual experience. Analysis of the AMOLED display. The display on the Zotac Gaming Zone is arguably its most striking feature. First showcased at Computex in January, the screen impressed with its impressive specifications. At 7 inches, with a 1080p resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, it is well positioned to compete with top-tier devices. What truly sets this display apart is its AMOLED panel. AMOLED displays are renowned for their deep blacks and vibrant colors, and this model boasts over 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage and 150% sRGB. Such a broad color range promises an immersive visual experience that could enhance the depth and vibrancy in games. With a peak brightness of 800 nits, the display should offer excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions, which is crucial for gaming on the go. However, it remains to be seen how well this screen performs with HDR content, which can often test the limits of brightness and contrast capabilities. Control options. When it comes to controls, the Zotac Gaming Zone does not hold back. It features 2 Hall-effect joysticks, which promise enhanced precision and durability compared to traditional joysticks. Adjustable 2-level triggers and radial dials add additional customization and comfort. The 2 trackpads offer an interesting alternative to traditional buttons for navigation and controls, while the rear buttons can be used for extra functions. These varied control options suggest that Zotac has considered flexibility and customization in gameplay, but the true effectiveness and functionality of these controls will only be confirmed through hands-on testing. Hardware and performance. Under the hood, the Zotac Gaming Zone is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 8840U processor equipped with 8 cores, 16 threads, and 768 RDNA 3 shaders. This configuration is well suited to meet the demands of modern games, promising solid performance. The inclusion of 16 GB of LPDDR5-7500 RAM is a plus for multitasking speed, but after using devices like the ROG Ally X with 24 GB of RAM, one might question whether 16 GB will suffice for future gaming and application needs. Storage-wise, the Zotac Gaming Zone offers a 512 GB SSD, which might seem limited given the growing size of modern games. Fortunately, the storage is expandable via a PCIe 4.0 M.2 2280 interface, allowing users to upgrade to a larger, faster SSD to meet increasing storage demands. Connectivity and accessories. The Zotac Gaming Zone doesn't just stop at internal specs. It also offers advanced connectivity with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and reliable connections for online gaming and peripherals. The addition of a microSD UHS-2 slot and 2 USB 4 ports enhances flexibility for external displays and devices. A fingerprint scanner and a 720p front camera add a modern touch and security features, making the device even more appealing. To complement the package, Zotac also offers a dedicated docking station and carrying case, enhancing the practicality and protection of the console. In summary, the Zotac Gaming Zone presents an intriguing option in the portable gaming PC sector. With its impressive AMOLED display, versatile control options, and robust hardware configuration, it seems poised to compete with market leaders. However, comprehensive testing will be necessary to fully assess its performance and ergonomics in real-world conditions.